Bro, is this you that's recording?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Hey, yes, it's me. So the app is there, na? Zoho app on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually it is like for 14 or 15 days, it given a trial period. You can use it. After that, again, it will get expired.
Okay.
So Sangamitra, I just wanted to know like a few things. Why you wanted to like learn?
Python. I like coding in the first place,
Okay.
but after my education, I never went to this field of work.
Hmm.
I mean, I have been working in different fields like
Okay.
contracts and uh, agricultural industries most of the time.
Hmm.
So now I want to find a job.
Yeah. So now you
I
wanted
see
to
Python.
change your field.
Yeah,
Yeah. So it's a good idea actually. The market is heading towards technical side more.
yeah, that is the main reason.
Understood. So what I will do is I will also communicate with you like through this notepad. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Mhm. So had your breakfast, Sangamitra?
Yeah, yeah,
Good. Is my screen is visible?
yeah. I can see.
Fine. So today, what is the date today? 31st.
Yeah.
31st, and it is 3, and then 2024. Fine. So on this day, we are starting our first class. First class. First class. Okay. Now in the first class, basically the agenda will be what? It is intro. Okay. Intro consists of what? Let's see. Like what is Python, and why to learn Python. Some of them, like some features. Why it is different from other language. Okay. Now after this, we also have something called applications of Python, and print statements. Like I will also help you to installation of the software. You have internet, right? I guess
Yeah,
properly.
yeah. I have.
Installation of Python software. So guys, so Sangamitra, this is our topic. It would be our topic now.
Okay,
Yeah. So intro. Is, so what I will do here is whatever the things whenever we are taking a training, I will be like keeping everything in this notepad so that with one file you can able to access it whenever it is required to you. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So after the meeting, I will be sharing that notepad and so that you can revise it once if you have any doubts.
Yeah.
Yes. Now coming to this, first of all, we need to understand few questions here. I mean to say, what is the software? What is
Software.
the software? Yeah, I wanted to know from you. I'm just giving 1 or 2 minutes of a time. If you know, it's okay, or else I will explain.
Software. It's a language that can help us to operate computers from
Mhm.
by connecting others from far distance,
Okay. Any examples?
like WhatsApp, Telegram, and like our communication right now.
Yeah, perfect. That's a good answer. But what exactly means? Those are the examples. But how we can define a software?
The language that we can communicate with technology.
Hmm? So, Sangeeta,
Software
basically, what
is a
was your
language.
field like in the BTech or whatever
Actually,
you
it
were?
was degree. Mine was degree. BA ruler
Yours was?
industries. Degree BA ruler industries. It's all about poultry farms and brick farm in bricks industry.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about
Fine. Got it. Okay. Fine. So whatever you said is it's okay, but let's see one example here. With that, we'll understand. Suppose uh, we are in 18, or we can say 1880s. Okay, and now it is 2024, right? So at this time, in this period, I want to deposit or withdraw amount. How much time it would be take? Time
yeah, 10 to 15 minutes.
in 1880s, or let me make it as 19.
It may take a lot more
19,
time at that time.
yes, much time, right? In 1920s, you can just imagine in 1920s what was the situation, how was the technology, and how was the development. Yes.
Yeah,
So
it was little hard at
first,
that time.
yeah, correct. So first step, what was the first step? Step one, we have to find out the center, means a branch office, bank, bank branch, bank. Where is the bank branch? To search it, like we don't have at the time Google Maps also, right? Like
Yes,
exactly. So what we can say is like it would easily take around 1 to 2 hours if we are taking a bike and going on around. So 2 to 5 hours in the searching only it goes. Now, if even though if we find that branch, what I need to do, I need to stand in the line. Yes, to take the form. Yes.
yes,
So to deposit or to withdraw, we have to take the form, and then step three, we need to fill the form. For this also, it will take like for the line, if it is more members or less members, even though it will be like 30 minutes, 30 to 1 hour. Yes.
yeah,
So maximum 1 hour, 1 hour of the time it will take, and for filling again 30 minutes. Now step four. After this, after filling the form, what happens?
we have to submit
Yeah,
it.
correct. Submission. For the submission also, like again line and all. Again, this is a 1 hour of a
Okay.
case. Yeah, and after that, we actually don't know. Like maybe step five, if you wanted to deposit or withdraw, like fifth step. So if I wanted to deposit, like it will be reflecting in my bank after 48 hours, right?
Yes,
Reflecting in bank after 48 hours. Yes. So what is the meaning of this? So total overall, how much time it is taking?
it
Total
takes
time.
almost a day.
Yeah, we can say like that. So almost like here it is, for example, even we are taking the minimum one, like 1 hour. This is 1 2 hours. This is 2 hours 30 minutes, and this is 3 hours 30
2
minutes.
hours, 30 minutes.
In on an average, we can say that 4 to 5 hours. Yes,
Yeah,
minimum when we are considering it as minimum. Now, when it is taking this much time, now can you say that what is happening now? So as we are in 2024. Yes. Now, what is the scenario? Like comparing. Can you compare this? Compare the transactions with that time. So, what is the changes you can observe?
time, it duration, technology.
So now what is the time?
Now it takes 10 to 15 minutes maximum.
Yeah, 15 minutes, or sometimes if I wanted to go with the ATM, like within
And
a
one,
minute or a few seconds. Yes.
yes,
If you are doing a phone pay or a Google pay, it will happen within a seconds only, right? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds,
yes.
1 minute, 2 minutes, hardly 3 minutes. So what is this drastical change? So see here, Earlier it used to take 5 hours. 5 hours time converted into what? Just 1 minute, I can say. Like I'm taking 5 minutes on an average. So how this is possible? How it is possible?
Technology,
Okay.
the I mean software. Our
Yeah.
technology is improved too fast and too
Yeah, yeah.
better.
So if the person who actually don't know, don't believe in the science and technology and the programming language, they will feel it as what? If any person,
They think it's miracle.
exactly, absolutely. If any person don't know about this, doesn't know, they think so, or it's a
Yeah,
miracle, or it is some natural power, all these things. But we, as a science student or as a person who are interested in knowing the things, we understand that it is not that. It is all about what? Programming languages or technologies. Yes. So one
yeah.
is like you have observed here, it is taking 5 minutes. And what are the other changes?
The changes.
Other,
It was
yeah, other changes.
it was quick, and every year it is getting better for us, and our time is decreasing, spending in the banks.
Yeah, understood. So now here what happens is the main concern is work, like manual work. Manual work has been reduced. Where it is reduced in
Banks.
2024. Yes.
Yeah.
Now it means what? Automation has taken place. Automation has taken place in 2024. Yes.
Yes.
Automation, manual work, no labor work, digitalization has been done.
Yeah.
Digitalization has been done. Yes. So these are what some of the observations. So what we can say here, the definition comes here is, what is the definition of a software? By seeing all this is, in 19th century we used to do more work,
Yes.
but now the work has been reduced. It became very simple on a fingertip. If I wanted to book a Ola or Zomato, Flipkart, any orders. So it's now everything is on fingertip. Yes.
Yes.
But at that time we used to work really hard. It was more, we need to give a lot of efforts. So what we can say is software software is a process to it is a process which reduces the manual work, or which makes the things digitalized.
Yeah.
So what is software? Software is a process which reduces
It's
the
man-
manual work and time in order to complete a task. Yes.
Yeah.
And how it is happening with the help of some like programming languages. Okay, correct.
Yeah.
So you understood what is the software now.
Yeah. I get it.
Good. Now one more question comes is, the question is, why what is why we need to learn programming language? Why to learn programming language? Any program, I'm not talking about only Python, just why to learn programming language.
Make it better than today.
uh, yeah,
To
correct.
make
But
it better than today, and
yeah, then how we can making that it's better than today? Any example?
like you said now, by reducing manual work and we are doing it on the fingertips, we can make it even better.
Yeah,
So we have to forward better software skills and better languages.
absolutely. So what I'm saying here is, why to learn programming language means, we have to communicate, right? We have to communicate with the systems. Computer, I need to do some programming stuff. I need to convey some message to the computer, right?
Yes.
And it is only to communicate with the computer. why we are learning a programming language is
Like we can communicate with TV and other stuff, so AC,
hmm
so we can reduce the work.
yeah,
I mean, now we are watching news that somewhere else happened something. In something happened in America, we can watch it from here through TV.
correct.
So to get our information, we have to communicate with mission. We use remote. Actually, when we use TV, we use remote. So that way we can communicate it, right?
Yes, yes, correct. So absolutely, I agree with your answer. And the point here is why to learn a programming language is to
I mean, in the past we couldn't get it that fast. So nowadays we can do it because of the software that we learn.
so in order to communicate with the computers, we cannot directly communicate, right? If I say, "Hi, computer, can you give me some work done?" It will not listen to us. So what this computer understands, they understands what?
Programming language.
Yeah, to communicate with the computers, we we need programming language, PL, programming language. So just we are communicating with the computers. Now, why to communicate with the computers? That is my question. So if I'm giving you one task, if I'm telling you what is the factorial of 5, can you tell me? Like it is just a maths question.
No.
Yeah, factorial of 5 is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now I guess you can tell. So 5 fours are
20,
23 ja 60,
60,
and
and
62 ja 60 plus 60 it is
120,
120 into 1
120.
120. So this we all can do.
Yeah,
Yes, we all can do. That's correct. Now if I'm giving you 120 factorial, will you do it now?
it takes some time. No.
Correct. We can't do right away. We can't do this right away. This takes time. Yes,
Yes.
but yeah, yeah, it takes time. But if we are writing a program to execute these kind of questions, these kind of problems or tasks, it will be done within seconds.
Seconds.
Yeah. So why we are learning a programming language to do our task easily within seconds. So this the answer to this question is why to learn a programming language to get our task done within time or within less span of time. Okay, this 120 we can do, but it will take a lot of time, and the time is wasted, right? So we have so many problems. If we keep on going for one problem, if we are taking a time, it means what we have limited hours.
Yeah.
We have to do many other things. We need to achieve so many things in our life, and that is the reason it is making our job easier, and it is giving us what it is making our life comfortable. Life is getting comforted, right?
Yes.
Comfortable life. Can you tell me what is the reasons, like what are the things making our life comfortable? Any example? First example, I can say that elevator. Yes.
Transferring money
Elevator means whenever we stand on that, automatically it will take us to
without
the,
how to take stairs.
yeah, yeah, staircase automatically, no need of walking. That is one of the example. Other example is coffee machine. It means what automatically it is like we are pouring all those materials inside that, and whenever we want we just pressing the button. And any
Yeah.
other examples from your end?
Sending mails.
Yeah, sending mails, yes, correct. Emails emails elevators, all these all applications. We have so many other
Taking booking train
applications.
tickets.
Okay, so I hope you understood. Yeah, ATMs, all those.
Yeah.
I hope you understood, right, why we are learning a programming language.
Yeah.
Good. Now, after this, now let's understand what is a Python. So now, what are the programming languages we have? That is the next question. Hmm. What are the different languages? Can you answer this? How many programming languages you know? You have heard about it. Just name.
C, C plus, Java,
C plus.
Python.
Okay.
That's a
C, C++, and Java. You said no. Java, Python. Okay. Good. There are so many others like back end, front end. So in front end, we have HTML, again CSS, again Java script. Yes, at the back end we have SQL queries, MySQL, so DBMS, all this related to this. Yeah.
yeah.
Now these are the some of the programming languages. Okay, these basic things you should know. Fine. Now here, coming to this Python, let's understand what is this Python is. Python. What is a Python? So when anyone asks you what is a Python, your answer should be very crisp, very clear. So we are using the Python in what are the cases? First one is general, general case or general purpose. Second point, it is a high level language. High level language, and third one is general purpose, high level, and it is interpreted. Interpreted, and fourth one is dynamically typed. I will explain you all the reasons now. Yeah. So let's understand what is a general purpose. Okay. But before this, understanding this general purpose, what I wanted is I will give you one scenario. Yeah. Now I wanted to print. I want my system to print or to solve 3 plus 5. Okay, 3 plus 5. It is what 8. So I wanted my system has to solve this problem. This is simple problem, but later on I wanted I will be giving the complex problem to my system. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what it will be done? How we can solve this? See, how to solve it is, first is just assume that this is my system. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now once the system is there, here you are going to write the code. Some code you will be writing here. So the code will represent like this. Mhm. This is the code. First line, second line, third line. Okay. So this is what the code. So my main intention is I wanted to solve it. So we have first one is what? Computer. And second point is, see, what is the main intention is, if I am giving any problem to the computer, first of all, computer have to understand, right?
Yeah.
So how the computer understand? First is computer cannot understand directly. So here it is, what we are using here is computer understands. We need to understand that computer only understands low level language. Low level low level What is the meaning of low level? It means
Okay.
binary level. What is binary level? It is 1 0. It is a combination of 1 and 0. 1 0 1 0 1 0. So computer understands only 1 0. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So computer only understands what?
One
One
zero.
zero. Yeah, 1 0 1 0 it understands. But third point, computer understands only this. But what we need, to make a computer understand this. So we need one language which can be converted into low level. Okay, so we need a language, a programming language which can be converted in low level. So see here. Now this is what it is, my computer. Yes, and in this computer I have written some code. So that code is known as what? Source code. This is, yes. So computer only understands what?
Binary language.
That is known as low level.
Lol.
And what is this binary level language?
1010.
Correct. Now we need what? Programming language which translate this language. So for example, if I wanted, fourth one is, if I'm saying hi, my system has to say hi. So this hi I will write in some program, some syntax. So we need one programming language which will convert. So for example, I'm taking Python. Python is a language which converts the code in low level. So low level means what? Now system can understand, right?
Yeah.
So Python is working as, it is one of the language. In the same way we have C language, Java language, all these languages are what doing? They are converting the code in a low level. Why they are converting in low level? So that system can understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in this what we have is, in Python or in Java, all those things we do have, there are there are what they are having, they are having translators. So what is that? Translators are known as, they are having translators. Translators means, what are those translators? Are compilers and interpreters. Compilers and interpreters. Internally they are having all this in Java, whatever the language it is, Java or Java, C, all those, these languages converts the code in a low level. How they are converting? Because they have the translators, they will translate it, and those translators are what? Compilers and interpreters. Now sixth one is what? We will get the required output. So what is my output? I was about to get 3 plus 5. 5. What is it? 8. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm doing here is, see here. Here is my system. In the system, I'm writing some code. And this code, whatever this code I have written, that is in the programming language. Whatever the programming language, these are the codes. These are in C or Java or Python. Okay. Now, once this is written, now we have one compiler here. This is a compiler, or we can say interpreter.
Translation to binary language.
Yeah. So it will, what it will does is, it will convert it into what? Binary language. And so
Computer can understand.
yeah, this is what our output will be getting, this kind of output here. This is my output window, and then here it is getting converted, and it will be all what? Zeros and ones. 0 1 0 1, like this. Yeah, I hope you understood, right?
Yeah.
So this is my source code, it is my binary code, and finally we are converting, and we are getting the message as 5 plus 3 plus 5, it is what? 8. 8. Yes. In this way it works. So now you may get you may get one doubt. The doubt is, uh, why computer understands only zeros and ones, or only, yeah, 0 and 1.
1 0.
Yeah, white understands zeros and ones. Any answer you have?
Because it is the language of technology.
Okay.
We are translating our language into technology language.
Okay. No,
Just
actually,
like when we travel to America, how we learn English, just like it, like that.
Okay. So what I'm saying here is, yeah, we have some electronic gadgets, right? Electrical and electronic. Electrical. Can you tell me some electrical devices?
Phrase.
Fridge, refrigerator. You mean. Like simple example, we can take fan.
Okay.
So how we are communicating with a fan?
Remote. I mean switch.
Uh, no, yeah, sometimes fan remotes also, but now in my home I don't have remotes for the fans. So electrical devices, fan, and the fan is operated what switch. So in the switch, what is happening?
Translates to fan. I mean, it starts the power, electricity,
Yeah, TU
and
or
give
turn up,
information to fan.
on and off option will be there, right? Turn on,
Off.
and turn off. Turn off. Two options are there. It is turning on and also it is turning off. So now, what is the meaning of this turn on, guys? Turn on. Yeah, Sangamitra. Turn on, and what is the meaning of turn on?
Rotate.
Yeah.
I'm giving orders to the fan to rotate.
Yeah. So it means when we are saying turn on, it means what? See, like this electricity is flowing. Okay,
Yeah.
it is keep on flowing. But when we are saying after certain time, turn off. So what is happening in the turn off? Up to some
Yeah.
extent it is going, but it became off.
Yeah.
Again, if I wanted to on, again it will be on. Again it will be off means off. So what is this gap? It means what? Disconnection, right?
Yeah.
So disconnection. Disconnection. There is a no connection. But above this we can say what? Connection. Connection established.
Yeah.
So what is the connection means on and off? On means what? Connection is there. Off means,
Disconnection.
yeah. So this connection is represented. How this connection is represented in the terms of
Switch.
one, one.
Okay.
This disconnection,
0.
yeah, disconnection is represented in 0. So one means current is there or not?
Yeah.
Yes, current is there, and uh, yes, and if it is 0, then
Disconnection. Power is not there.
power is not there. Correct. Yeah, understood this.
Yeah, I understand.
Now, this is about what? Electrical devices. But how about electronic devices? What is the meaning of electronic devices? So electronic devices are the subset of electrical. So what is the meaning is, this fan, we have fan. What is the electronic devices? Can you just give me some examples? Laptops,
Yeah.
phone, phones. Again, we have some something like these phones, refrigerators, all those. So now
TV.
these, yeah, these are electronic devices. Collection of switches. Collection of switches means what? Collection of zeros and ones.
Yeah.
0 and 1 internally. So the source is what? It is also power. It is also working on power. Yes. So it means what? When electrical devices can operate on and off, in the same way, electronic is also what? It is also a part of electrical, right? Because it also needs power.
Like remote.
Yeah, remote also. So that is the reason what we are saying is collection of switches. So this also understands. So that is the reason our computer understands what zeros and ones. Hence, we can say that our system understands 0 and 1, which is known as what, low level,
Yeah.
low, or also known as binary. Yes.
Ah.
Okay, now you understood, I guess. Now why it understand zeros and ones. Now coming to this Python, let's understand what is general purpose. So in our nowadays, we are seeing many things, right? Some calculations. We can use we can use our Python in the calculation purpose. Yes,
Yes.
websites, creation of a websites, or a game. So whatever the general ideology is there, like in our day to day life, day to day life, which we required those technologies. So it is helping us in our day to day life. Okay, so calculations, it can be a complex queries, complex problems, all these things it is going to address. Yes, so this is important phenomena. What it is?
Mm,
General purpose. And second one is high level. So what is high level?
language. I
High
mean,
level. So high level languages are in a simple language, simple, which can be understood by the programmer. We can understand. So once we can understand this program, we can also make that system to understand this once it is translated in the binary. So simple to understand. Yeah. So yes. So high level means what? It is simple to,
understand.
yes, understand. Simple to understand. And the second one is it is also talks about memory. Memory. Now, for example, if I'm telling you this example I'm giving, 2 into 5, how much?
7.
No, it is into, not the plus.
Okay. 10.
Yeah, perfect. So this is what 10. How you can able to say that it is a 10? You have done some calculation in your mind.
Yeah.
If I'm saying you 12 into 44, can you tell me this?
It takes 10.
Yeah, but can you do it in the paper, and you can do it in the paper, right? On book.
Yeah.
Yes, so you can do it on the notebook or paper. So this answer, how you told it, you have done in your mind. Yes,
Yeah.
you have done it in the mind, brain, and this one you are using on the paper. Okay. In the similar way, uh, this computer needs what?
Mine.
Computer needs memory. Memory. Yes, done. Yeah, so simple calculations we need mind, and more somewhat more we are taking paper, and for computer what it needs, memory. So this high level language talks about what? Memory consumption. Yes.
Yeah.
So memory is a important resource. Understood?
Yeah.
So now we have something called interpreted. Now this interpreted means, let's understand what exactly it is. Now, for example, you know China, you went to China, and you wanted, you don't know Chinese, right? Now, how you are going to communicate? How you are going to communicate? Yes. How you are going to communicate with them?
One who knows my language, or one we both can use the same language.
So you need what?
I need to learn their language, or I need
No,
a
you don't have time.
yeah, I need a
No
translator.
time to learn.
So
Then
I need
what you will do?
better
Yeah,
someone who knows my language and his language.
yeah. So you need
A translator.
translator. Yes, translator. So what is the work of the translator?
He
It
trans
translates. So in the same way, interpreted means what? Python translates. What it translates high level into low level. Okay. So how it translates, let's understand. For example, I'm saying hi. So now this hi should be translated into low level, right? Then only the computer will understand something 0 1. So here it is a interpreted like Python. So Python, what Python is doing, it is translating, and finally we are getting a output in 0 1 0 1 0 0 something, and once it is done we are getting the final output as high. So what is the meaning of this high is getting translated into low level and it is displaying us this. Yeah. So interpreted means what? Something which is translating. Now how it is translating? Line.
what Russian call it?
Yeah.
Uh, Sorry.
Yeah. So line. Now for example, I'm giving you one two scenarios. Do you have you watch movies
Yeah, once in a while.
once in a year, huh? Once
Yeah,
in a week?
no, once in a year.
Yeah, once in a year, fine. So you you watch the movie. You watch the movie. Now you have to explain. You watch the movie. Now what you have to do is you have to explain it to your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Now how you're going to explain? Two ways we have. What is the first way? The complete movie you
Watching.
can tell him directly, right?
Yeah,
There was a hero, there was a heroine, and there was a fight
yeah.
in your own language, in your own language, in your own understanding. Understanding. You will add some mirchi and masala also, right?
Yeah,
I mean to say, oh, it was really good. He kicked like this. The hero died. Yeah.
yeah,
So you'll add all those mirchi masalas and you'll do. Okay. Now, second way is exactly what word by word you are explaining. Exactly one line, line by line. So hero's dialogue. Hero said like this. Then heroine entered. Scene by scene
scene.
explanation. Okay. So now this adding mirchi and masala and telling everything you are explaining in this, everything you can understand everything, not line by line, everything at once. అన్ని ఒకటేసారి
అంతే.
అన్ని ఒకటేసారి దిస్ ఇస్ నోన్ యాజ్ వాట్ కంపైలేషన్. అదే సీన్ బై సీన్ అంటే లైన్ బై లైన్, లైన్ బై లైన్ ఆర్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వీ కెన్ సే, ఆర్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. దిస్ ఇస్ నోన్ యాజ్ వాట్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్. Yes.
Yeah,
Not interpreted or interpretation. I hope you understood, right? Both.
understand.
So this is the meaning of line by line, and this is interpretation. Yeah.
Yeah,
So this is interpreted means what? It explains or it converts the program line by line. So here it is interpreted, right? So line by line conversion will be happening. Okay. So coming to this dynamically typed. So in this we have, yes, before this dynamically typed, we need to understand. Yeah, this is the main feature actually. This is main feature which makes Python unique. Okay.
Yeah.
So how it is making Python unique? Let's understand. Now, if I'm writing a is equal to 5. Okay. So I guess you don't have any idea of C language, right? C language. Yes, you're there.
तो
Hello.
बाय आपका आवाज कट हो रहा है.
ऑडिबल नहीं, आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, okay. Now it's working. So dynamically typed means
Bye.
this is.
Hi. Hello.
हाँ, हेलो.
मैं थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट था.
Type in the chat ना.
तो
I'm not able to hear your voice. What happened? You can type on chat also.
1 second. आपको कट हो. So,
Yeah, even your voice is also breaking. So, hello. Yeah.
कुछ नहीं भाई, मेरे को पावर कट हुआ, सो लैपटॉप स्विच ऑफ हो गया.
अरे पावर लैपटॉप. ओके.
नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं फोन में कांटेक्ट कनेक्ट हुआ.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. वी हैव ओनली लाइक 10 मिनट्स ना. 10 मिनट्स में मैं बता दूंगा.
या.
ओके. सो पावर कट्स आर फ्रीक्वेंट आर देयर.
नो नो, आज ही हुआ. वो लाइन रिपेयर कर रहा है. या.
अच्छा. तो ना, ये देखो, ये जो डायनेमिकली टाइप्ड है ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर है. दिस इज अ मेन फीचर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाई, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. आपको सी लैंग्वेज पता है थोड़ा भी?
नहीं पता है भाई.
है ना. ओके. अपन ना एक वेरिएबल रहता है, लाइक अपन जो क्या करते हैं, इंट ए इज इक्वल टू 8 दे रहे. ओके.
ओके.
So what I'm saying here is, I will show you one program also. Hmm. दिस इज सी लैंग्वेज का एक सॉफ्टवेयर है. सी का है. सो सी में अपन कोड लिख रहे हैं. हैश इंक्लूड stdio डॉट h. ओके. एंड
ओके.
void main. ये सिंटैक्स है कोड लिखने का सी में.
ओके.
तो इसमें ना, what I need is, I wanted to print a is equal to 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I need to print this. Printf and percentile d comma a. ये सिंटैक्स है सी के अंदर. सो प्रिंट करने के लिए, सो आई शुड गेट व्हाट 10. यस. सो आई हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट
हाँ.
दिस. I have to execute this. I need to save this file by using any name. Like for example, I'm using sunday dot c है ना, तो इसलिए c एक्सटेंशन डॉट सी लिख रहे हैं. अपने को अगर टेक्स्ट फाइल है तो txt लिखते हैं ना.
हाँ.
अब tpt है तो डॉग वो सब लिखते हैं. तो एक्सटेंशन इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पर. डॉट सी. सो इसको सेव कर दिए. सेव करके इसको ना दो चीज करते हैं, कंपाइल और रन. सो हियर कंपाइल और रन दोनों है. सो कितना है
ओके
आंसर?
10
या 10 आ गया ना अपने को. सो ये 10 जो आ रहा,
हाँ
अगर अगर मैं यहाँ पर इंटीजर नहीं दे रहा, इफ आई एम नॉट गिविंग इंट हियर, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? विल इट वर्क?
नो
लेट्स सी. इट इज नॉट वर्किंग. सी, इट इज गिविंग मी
या
एरर. ये पूरा एरर दे रहा. क्यों दे रहा है एरर? बिकॉज दिस डजंट नो, दिस सी लैंग्वेज डजंट नो दिस व्हाट इज दिस 10 टाइप ऑफ 10 क्या है.
it
यस,
don't know 10 means so we are giving command 10 means it's a number.
integer, yeah. So in C, yes, we are writing this code. So we have to write what? Int. Yes,
Okay.
int is mandatory.
Oh,
Mandatory in C language. Not only C language, even in Java also.
okay.
So so int देना पड़ता है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि we are saying that एक a का टाइप क्या है? एक वेरिएबल है. This is storing 10 in the a, but what kind of value this 10 is? This 10 is integer type. Okay,
Yeah.
but in Python, no need of that. Python, no need to mention int. Python automatically understands. Python
Automatical understands.
understands. Yes, अपने से समझ जाता Python. So this is called what? Dynamically typed. अपने से, by its own it will understand. Okay.
अच्छा.
So I will execute
तो
one
भाई
program.
मेरे पे डाउट आया.
हाँ,
सो सी जावा इस सब में इंट लिखना पड़ता है,
हाँ लिखना पड़ता.
लेकिन पाइथन में वो कुछ नहीं होता डायरेक्ट. ये मतलब 2 5 5 5 + 5 10 हो गया ऐसा लिखेगा तो वो उनको पता चलेगा.
हाँ,
आई मीन पाइथन में.
हाँ
अच्छा.
पाइथन में हो. अब देखो, ये देखो 10, मैं 10 दिया, 10 आ गया.
हाँ.
मतलब मैं यहाँ पे इंट लिखा गया. डिड आई रिटर्न एनी इंट?
नो.
या. सो पाइथन इज वेरी क्लेवर इनफ. लाइक पाइथन ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाता. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेन फीचर.
अच्छा.
सो दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? डायनामिकली टाइप्ड. Okay. So
हाँ.
I will also tell you about this in details, but as of now you understand that without writing integer we can make use in Python.
अच्छा.
तो अभी अपन का एजेंडा जो था वो पूरा क्या क्या है, क्या क्या हुआ.
सॉफ्टवेयर का
Why to
मतलब
learn
क्या है?
Python features, why did we
लैंग्वेज.
build. हाँ. So how to install this? You have to install in your system.
ओके.
So how to install? I will show you. देखो यहाँ पे जाना है गूगल पे. यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, पाइथन बोल के मारना है. यहाँ पे
हाँ.
पाइथन डाउनलोड बोल के आता. यहाँ पे एक वेबसाइट खुल जाती. यस, इफ यू वांट आई विल
या.
शेयर दिस लिंक हियर आल्सो. दिस इज. एंड उसके बाद क्या करना है, यहाँ पे योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज विंडोज ओनली ना.
या.
तो ये वाला, इसको क्लिक करना. ठीक है.
हाँ ठीक है
आफ्टर
भाई.
आफ्टर क्लिकिंग दिस ये डाउनलोड हो जाता. डाउनलोड होने के बाद आप जब करते ना, तो आप मेरे को बता देना. लाइक इन द नेक्स्ट मीटिंग इफ वी डाउनलोड ना, यू जस्ट इन्फॉर्म मी. विल आई विल हेल्प यू हाउ टू डू. सो एज ऑफ नाउ जस्ट यू हैव टू डाउनलोड. ये डाउनलोड करके रख लो आप अपने पास.
हाँ ठीक है भाई.
डाउनलोड एंड कीप इट विथ यू. ओके, डन. नाउ इंस्टॉलेशन अपन करा देंगे, नो इश्यूज. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? अपने को क्यों पढ़ना है एप्लीकेशंस, and why to learn Python. Let's understand why to understand Python, why to learn Python. First one is why to learn Python. Python क्यों पढ़ना है? So first one is demand है इसका. Demanding in market. अपॉर्चुनिटीज है इस पे।
अच्छा भाई।
अपॉर्चुनिटीज है। सेकंड वन सिंपल है। थर्ड वन लेस लाइन ऑफ कोड है। एंड फोर्थ वन इज ओपन सोर्स है। ओपन सोर्स मतलब
फ्री।
एग्जैक्टली ओपन सोर्स मीन्स फ्री। फ्री। फ्री एंड इट हैज ह्यूज कम्युनिटी। कम्युनिटी मतलब ह्यूज कम्युनिटी मतलब गुड सपोर्ट, वी कैन गेट सपोर्ट ऑन ऑनलाइन many way. And sixth one is it is recommended by many people or many scientists, many data scientists, ds, data scientists. Okay,
ओके भाई।
this is what why to learn python. And let's see some of the applications. क्यों, क्या क्या applications है इसके? applications, so applications में क्या है? I told you right, गेम, अपन गेम बना सकते हैं। एंड गेम, ओनली गेम ही नहीं, अपन वेबसाइट्स भी बना सकते हैं।
एप्स।
और हाँ, एप्स और ऑटोमेशन कर सकते हैं। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल सेंडिंग email, I wanted to send email for 1,000 members, एक के one by one I cannot write one at once, I can send the email, not only email like Swiggo, Zomato, like Swiggy, Zomato, ये पूरा ऑटोमेशन पे ही काम कर रहा ना। like customer
हाँ।
आता, whatever he wanted he will select and he will purchase, he will place the order and the order will be come to him. So everything is happening at automation, like automatically, no person is involved there, back end. We have machine learning. Machine learning is a advanced version of this python. So ये भी एक application में आता है। machine learning means recommendations.
अच्छा।
Recommendation मतलब क्या है? If you are listening one song and if you click on like, you will get same type of song again and again. Yes, in the Spotify
हाँ।
or whatever the app. So if you wanted to purchase a phone, if you wanted to purchase iPhone model opera, so always you will start getting the advertisements, ads. Yes, you will get the
या।
ads of iPhone on your all applications. इंस्टाग्राम खोले तो इंस्टाग्राम में आ जाता, फेसबुक खोले तो फेसबुक में आ जाता, वही है। यस।
हाँ।
एंड सो मशीन लर्निंग अगेन, डेटा एनालिसिस के लिए अपने पास आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, एआई। सो ऑल दीज आर एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ व्हाट? पाइथन। हाँ,
ओके भाई।
ओके। सो अपन आज यहाँ तक पढ़े, इट्स फाइन। और अगले क्लास में ना, नेक्स्ट क्लास में विल सी द इंस्टॉलेशन एंड आल्सो फीचर्स ऑफ द पाइथन। सो आई गेस अप टू हियर वी कैन, इट्स ओके फॉर 1 hour। या, सो हाउ इज द क्लास लाइक? कुछ सीखा? हैव यू लर्न समथिंग?
डेफिनेटली भाई।
नो लाइक,
लेवन का पाइथन सॉफ्टवेयर का मतलब क्या है, लैंग्वेज कैसे पढ़ना है, और टेक्नोलॉजी से कैसे कम्युनिकेट होना चाहिए वो भी बता।
yeah, तो मतलब आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट कंफर्मेशन, लाइक ही सेड हु, व्हाट इज दैट पर्सन नेम?
भार्गव।
Bhargav told like 2 classes, yeah, 3 classes, he said. So after 3 classes we'll decide, he said. So yeah, you can even tell me like after 1 or 2 class also, like we can proceed, or if you are having problem in understanding, then there is no use of continuing, right? So you're understanding?
या आई एम गेटिंग।
Okay. So we'll get more clear idea when you install the software and when we both work together. So this file I will share and I will also save it with me. Okay, bro. Then we'll meet on next class.
ब्रो।
So happy Sunday. Enjoy the day. Then bye.
बाय। हैव अ नाइस डे ब्रो।
Thank you.
The meeting has ended. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.